Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how you can make the sweetest milk and honey corn ever. So, if you guys want to see how I make this corn, keep watching. Okay guys, in my pot here, I have my very large pot. I have a total of 8 cups of water, and I have my honey there, which I'm going to add in a little bit. Now, mind you guys, when people make their milk and their sweetened corn or whatever, they like to use equal parts water, equal parts milk. I'm sharing with you guys on how I make mine. I like to go in with 8 cups of water, and I'm adding in 11 cups of milk. Again, this is a personal preference. You guys don't have to do that. You can do the equal parts if you choose, but I'm just sharing with you guys on how I do it. So now, instead of sugar, now mind you, I have from time to time made my corn, sweetened it with corn, milk, and water and all of that. But this time, guys, I found that using a natural sweetener like honey or agave nectar actually tends to sweeten up the corn a lot more. And I promise you, if you guys give this a try, you will definitely see what I'm saying. What I'm doing here is just giving that honey a mix just to make sure it dissolves the way it should into my milk and water mixture before I go in with my shucked corn, okay? I actually got these from Walmart. They had their corn for 20 cents a cob, guys. Can you believe that? And I'm not going to even say how many I bought, but y'all that know me already know how I get down, and there's no such thing as buying 5 for $1. You know what I'm saying? 20 cents, so 5 for $1. So like I said, I ain't finna get into all that, but just know I bought enough to last me and my daughter a while. So you see those little stringy things on there from the corn. Don't mind that, okay? It'll come off as it cook, and it's not gonna harm you in any way, shape, or form. Actually, if it's still on your cob or whatever, you definitely can consume it. So don't worry about that, okay? But again, if you want to pick it off, your choice. For the butter, you guys see I did not add any salt in there. That's because I'm using salted butter, salted sweet cream butter, as you guys saw right there. And this right here in this corn mixture, guys, oh my God, it is so good, okay? So I'm just going ahead. You guys can see my water mixture there is definitely heating up. You can see the corn, and the butter starting to melt. And I ended up going in with a little more because we decided that we wanted more than 2. Now, mind you guys, I can eat corn by itself and I am good, okay? Give me some sweetened corn and some water and I'm good, okay? Because you definitely need that water. And we used to get this all the time from my grandma as a snack, okay? She used to cook this corn and it was a snack for us. It is so good. So you guys can definitely see everything is starting to do what it needs to do, meaning it is boiling, coming to a boil. And you guys see how that milk is not boiling over, which is what milk normally do when it comes to a boil. It starts to go over, but that water is helping to keep it at bay and not allow it to do that. So that's pretty much why you need to mix the water in with the milk, because if not, you're going to come back in that kitchen and that milk is going to be all over your stove, okay? Just a FYI for you guys. So I'm just showing you guys the little different steps here as it boils. It needs to boil for a while. Now the total time that I allowed my corn to boil was about an hour and 20 minutes. I did, kept leaving out the kitchen or whatever, come back in here and checked up on it, and you guys can see it is definitely doing what it needs to do. So here we are almost done. We are almost to that point to where you guys can see it is thickening up a little bit, which is good. Now don't come with the, oh, that's too thick, this and that, guys. It's still very, very watery, which is what it should be. But again, as you guys know, when wetness reduce, it do start to thicken up a little bit, but you guys can see it's still very, very watery. So again, don't come with the comments, oh, that's too thick, this and that. For all my cooks, y'all know what it do. Y'all already know what it do when you cooking corn. So you guys can see there still, it is reducing a little bit more. And we are almost done. And it has been like a total of about an hour and 5 minutes that this has been cooking. And Yeah, guys, we are almost there. And when I say this corn is off the chain, once you guys try it, I guarantee you, you will never go back to using regular sugar again. And here we are here. Look at that. Like I said, guys, it is still very, very thick. And this corn is off the chain. You have to give it a try. Of course, I got one onto a plate with some butter and just wanted to share with you guys on what I did afterwards. So that's it for my video, guys, showing you how I sweeten my corn in milk, water, and honey. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.